All right, this online lecture is about fiduciary duties in the LLC. It is very short. Why is it very short? Well, fiduciary duties in the LLC are just reflective of the fiduciary duties we've already discussed in the corporate context and in the partnership context. Remember, we've had corporations and partnerships for hundreds of years. It might not be hundreds, but it's a long time. The LLC, by contrast, is a relatively new entity within the past 25 or 30 years. And therefore, when the LLC was developed, it just borrowed already existing concepts from the corporation and the partnership. So what you're going to see with respect to fiduciary duties in the LLC is what we've already seen in the partnership and the corporation. Just one quick note, remember in the LLC you can have a manager-managed LLC or a member-managed LLC. Manager-managed LLC, we have centralized management by the managers, and in a member-managed LLC we have direct management of the LLC, the business of the LLC by the members. All right, so let's talk about fiduciary duties of the members and managers in different contexts. I think all you have to really understand, at least for this lecture, there's more for you to read and understand in your textbook, but a manager-managed LLC has centralized management, and if you think about it, that looks very close to what we have in the corporation. So the agency problems and the fiduciary duties that you're going to have in a manager-managed LLC are going to be very reflective of what we discussed when we talked about the corporation, fiduciary duties in the corporation. In member-managed LLCs, we have direct management of the LLC business by the members, and because we have direct management, it looks much more like the partnership. So the agency problems and the fiduciary duty issues that we're going to see in the member-managed LLC are going to look very much like what we saw when we talked about the partnership.